If you're looking for the best motherboard for the Ryzen 7 9800X3D, you're at the right place. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D is a monstrous Zen 5 CPU that features excellent efficiency, powerful raw performance, and some important architectural improvements. All of those metrics come together to create the fastest gaming chip on the market. It features 8 cores, 16 threads, and a boost clock of 5.2 GHz. Needless to say, you need a good motherboard to put this CPU to good use. In this video, I have a budget-friendly, then a premium board, and lastly, my top pick, which offers the best overall value. Price information and all motherboards discussed in the video are available in the description. Let's jump right into it. Number 3. Gigabyte X870 Eagle Wi-Fi, best budget motherboard for Ryzen 7 9800X3D. When buying a motherboard, Gigabyte is always a safe bet if you want to save some money without sacrificing features or performance. While many X870 motherboards are expensive and feature unnecessary gimmicks, the X870 Eagle is a no-nonsense motherboard that has everything you need. While there is no direct predecessor, we can compare it to the Gigabyte X670 Gaming X, its closest last-generation counterpart. The X870 Eagle Wi-Fi offers more robust VRMs for better power delivery, additional PCIe 5.0 lanes for storage, and upgraded Wi-Fi 7 connectivity. It also features a slimmer, more modern design that simplifies cable management and installation, making it a noticeable step up for budget-conscious builders. There's a blue LED underneath the chipset heatsink, but that's about it for lighting or RGB. Appearance-wise, it's an industrial-looking motherboard, a theme solidified by the gray and silver design. While it might look a bit boring to some folks, it does cover all the basics. You get a giant rear I/O cover, proper VRM heatsinks, and an M2 shield for the top slot. Speaking of which, it comes with 3 M2 slots, 2 of which are PCIe 4.0, and the top one is PCIe 5.0. Despite being an affordable board, this board features the toolless M2 installation seen on flagship boards. With the quick release mechanism, there's no need for any screws when installing the M2 drive. This makes the building experience easier, but you only get this facility with the top PCIe 5.0 slot, not the bottom 2. The board also comes with 2 full-length PCIe 3.0 by 16 slots, 4 DDR5 slots that support 256 GB of RAM at 8,000 megatransfers per second when overclocked, and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C front panel header. For power delivery, you get a VRM configuration of 14 plus 2 plus 2 phases, making it a robust option for high-end CPUs like the 9800X3D. Overclocking won't be a problem here. As for connectivity, you get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet. The port selection is also impressive. You get 2 USB 4 Type-C ports, a good number of USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports, a BIOS flashback button, and an HDMI port if you want to use a CPU with integrated graphics. In terms of competition, the MSI Mag X870 Tomahawk and Asus TUF Gaming X870 Plus are viable alternatives. All 3 of these motherboards have excellent build quality, strong VRM configurations, and decent support for overclocking. However, the Gigabyte X870 Eagle is considerably cheaper than both options, and it manages to retain that price without sacrificing features or aesthetics. For that alone, it's the better option out of the 3. All in all, the X870 Eagle is a fantastic budget motherboard that doesn't compromise on the fundamentals. It has great connectivity, support for PCIe Gen 5 components, and a robust power delivery system. If you need more PCIe lanes, you might consider X870E boards, otherwise this is an excellent motherboard that is stellar for the price. To sum up, what I like is the fantastic price-to-performance ratio, the robust VRM configuration, the toolless M2 installation, and the top-of-the-line connectivity. On the downside, somewhat of a boring design. Ratings: Design, 7 out of 10. Features, 8 out of 10. Connectivity, 8 out of 10. Power delivery, 9 out of 10. Value, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8 out of 10. Number 2. Asus ROG Strix X870E-E Gaming, best premium motherboard for the Ryzen 7 9800X3D. When it comes to truly high-end motherboards, few manufacturers can keep up with Asus. Their ROG Strix line of boards is packed with features and the boundaries of performance. While these motherboards are pricier than the competition, they offer a design language and a set of features that remain unparalleled. So, if you're looking for a high-end motherboard for those performance-focused Ryzen 9000 chips, like the 9800 X3D, the Strix X870E-E is your best bet. This motherboard is the successor of the ROG Strix X670E-E gaming, and since the X870E is a newer generation, it boasts significant upgrades. This includes a better VRM configuration, more PCIe 5.0 lanes, fast DDR5 memory support, and improved connectivity with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. Design-wise, the X870E-E carries a bold and aggressive aesthetic typical of the ROG Strix lineup. The giant rear I/O cover, full of RGB lighting, gives it a premium look while offering functional benefits like better heat dissipation. The massive VRM heatsinks keep temperatures under control during heavy workloads. Moving on, Asus has included a toolless M2 installation with the Q-release mechanism, making the building process faster and more convenient. It also features a start button and an error Q-code display, which are incredibly useful for troubleshooting and enthusiasts. When it comes to storage, it offers 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots for NVMe drives, along with 2 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots for additional storage options. The memory support is equally impressive, with 4 DDR5 slots supporting up to 256 GB at 8,400 megatransfers per second when overclocked. With Asus's AI overclocking feature, the board takes the guesswork out of fine-tuning your system for maximum performance. For power delivery, the X870E-E is equipped with an 18+2+2 power stage VRM configuration, ensuring it can handle easily even the most demanding CPUs like the Ryzen 7 9800 X3D. This robust VRM design, combined with massive heatsinks, ensures stable performance under extreme loads, making it an excellent choice for overclocking. Even more impressive is the connectivity and port selection. You get 2 USB 4 ports with power delivery support, a variety of USB 3.2 Gen 1 and Gen 2 ports, and a front panel USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C header. Troubleshooting and setup are made easier with the inclusion of BIOS flashback, CMOS clear, and a start button. Finally, you also get Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4. The one real competitor to this motherboard in terms of design, features, and performance is the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Master. The Gigabyte board is a bit cheaper, but it has one less M2 slot and 2 fewer power stages than the Asus board. This makes the Strix board more well-rounded, making it the best option for a premium X870E motherboard. The one downside here is the price. Most people will not be comfortable paying this much for a motherboard, especially if it costs the same as some mid-range graphics cards. However, if you want all the features, the fastest performance, and the best looks in the game, then this is the board for you. To sum up, what I like is the stunning design with RGB lighting, the top-of-the-line performance, the toolless M2 installation, and the enthusiast features like debugging LEDs and start button. On the downside, it's too expensive. Ratings: Design, 9 out of 10. Features, 9 out of 10. Connectivity, 9 out of 10. Power delivery, 9 out of 10. Value, 7 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8.5 out of 10. Number 1. Gigabyte X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi, our top pick. There are high-end, cheap budget motherboards, and then there's the middle of the pack. Despite what you may think, mid-range motherboards are usually the best value. They strike a great balance between premium features, design, and value for money. That's exactly what the X870 Aorus Elite Wi-Fi is all about, and it's the best AM5 motherboard for most people. This board is an improvement over its predecessor, the X670 Aorus Elite AX. With a transition to the X870 chipset, it introduces more advanced power delivery, PCIe 5.0 support for storage, faster DDR5 memory compatibility, and next-gen connectivity options like Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4. These upgrades make it a versatile and forward-looking option for Ryzen 9000 series CPUs. The Aorus Elite design showcases Gigabyte's signature aesthetic with a large rear I/O cover covered with the Aorus logo and a touch of RGB lighting under the chipset heatsink. While not as flashy as some competitors, the minimalist yet premium design appeals to PC builders looking for understated elegance. The massive heatsinks over the VRM ensure efficient cooling even under heavy loads, and debugging LEDs make troubleshooting more straightforward. For storage, the Aorus Elite X870E features 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, letting you take full advantage of the fastest drives available. You also get an additional PCIe 4.0 slot for extra flexibility. Memory support is impressive, with 4 DDR5 slots accommodating up to 256 GB at speeds of up to 8,200 megatransfers per second when overclocked. While it lacks automated overclocking features like Asus's AI overclocking, manual tuning is straightforward thanks to the robust BIOS. Speaking of power, the motherboard features a 16+2+2 VRM configuration, capable of handling high-performance CPUs such as the Ryzen 7 9800X3D with ease. Combined with large heatsinks, this ensures stable operation during overclocking or heavy multitasking, making it a reliable option for enthusiasts. Connectivity is another strong suit for the Aorus Elite, with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 on board, alongside USB 4 and USB 3.2 Gen 2 support. It provides cutting-edge networking and peripheral options. The rear I/O panel includes a generous array of USB ports and the convenience of BIOS flashback and Q-Flash, simplifying updates and recovery. For the competition, the Asus ROG X870 Pro RS is a great alternative. It features a 14+2+1 phase power design, the same toolless M2 SSD installation, and excellent connectivity. While it is cheaper, it does sacrifice the PCIe 5.0 M2 slots. Out of the 3 M2 slots, only one supports PCIe 5.0, while the other 2 feature PCIe 4.0. In comparison, the Aorus Elite features 3 PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, making it a better option if you care about fast, high-capacity storage. Putting all of that information together, the X870 Aorus Elite is a stellar motherboard that has everything you could ask for. With ample support for PCIe 5.0 components, a robust VRM configuration, and great connectivity, this motherboard is hard to beat for the price and a great pair for the 9800 X3D. To sum up, what I like is the excellent design with minimal RGB lighting, the strong VRM configuration, plenty of support for PCIe 5.0 devices, and the debugging LEDs and toolless M2 installation. On the downside, there's no advanced automated overclocking, and it's a bit pricier than the competition. Ratings: Design, 9 out of 10. Features, 8.5 out of 10. Connectivity, 8.5 out of 10. Power delivery, 9 out of 10. Value, 9 out of 10. For an overall rating of 9 out of 10. Thanks for watching! Remember, you can check prices in the description below. And if you're interested in more PC building suggestions and hardware reviews, be sure to check out more of my videos. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to stay updated, and let me know your opinion and suggestions in the comments. See you in the next one.